All right, bottom of page 40. All of what we're looking at are different patterns. We've, Andy, noticed patterns on our own. Dotted, curved, U-shaped. Noodle. Okay, we've noticed patterns on our own. Now we're looking at some of the ways those patterns are described mathematically. A function has an absolute minimum. Somebody new to read. Molly.
Function has an absolute minimum. If there is a point that has a y coordinate and is less than the y coordinates of every other point in the graph. Function is an absolute maximum if there is a point that has a y coordinate that is greater than the y coordinates of every other point in the graph.
Okay, so this time we're going to look at our graphs and look for minimum and maximum. And I'll give you a hint. Find T. Find graph T. This point has a minimum. A minimum is the lowest point. You put a little dot at the minimum of T. It's a U with a very bottom, and everything else is higher than that. Go ahead and write minimum. Minimum. On T. We're going to go ahead and also write T in the box at the bottom of page 40. Does somebody see a shape that has a maximum?
Yeah. B.
Take a look at B. B has a maximum. It has a higher point that's higher than everything else. I'm going to write maximum on B.
B.
I'm going to put B in this box. Now I'm also going to find one that has no absolute maximum or minimum. For example, C.
Wow.
Why does this have no maximum or minimum? Yes.
Because it goes on.
This looks like it ends, but at the end of these graphs, we can assume, if we don't see an end point, we can assume that it goes to infinity. So while that may look like the top, this keeps going up, up, up. And while that may look like a bottom, that side keeps going. So right here, I'm going to put no max or min. And I'm going to put a C right here. Guess what you're going to do next?
Find all of them.
Find all of them. Go through your pieces. Sort them. Who has a maximum, who has a minimum, and who has neither, please? This will take 2 minutes. Ready, go. Start. Finding max, ones that have a minimum and the ones that have a maximum.
Can we just write neither instead of no max?
Sure. Well, I don't know. Just no max or min might be better, because neither, we've got a lot of ways to describe it, so that's not that specific.
That one's
Anytime you have end lines where one's going up and one's going down, you're going to put no max or min, and then it's going to go right here. That's minimum. Good.
Next,
Anytime you have one that's going to be that's going to have a max or min. It's a minimum if it's at the bottom. It's a maximum if it's at the top. Like on top of the sorting over.
you get any more here with freestyle?
Well, you got all of those.
Here's some from the
Yeah.
Profane from group. Can I read?
You could probably prosecute me for it, so.
Okay, I'll read it quietly in my head, or no? Not even that.
He's gotta read out loud.
That's a good way to
Only if you don't
censor
tell
it.
me.
No, Carl. You don't know Noodle as well as
I'm not
I
allowed to hear it.
do. No, maybe.
Maybe in private.
Way.
Yeah.
We can have a rap battle.
Alright.
Okay, good.
It's been brought.
That's
Go
not.
back.
Start training. And then it just goes up in both directions. Okay. We're still talking about education either, right? Right there.
I know. So, here's a place to start. Move to the side. Say, max or min? Don't go max, no min. Put the letter right there. Okay, well at least write no max, no min. No max or min, that goes to no, because it goes both ways forever. Okay? So that's a no max or min. Are you pro at this here? Does it make a little more sense? Second max or min? That's a neither max or min. Good job, guys.
That's for trouble.
Best job, dude. Really awesome.
How's it going, Imogen? Good.
Oh, that's cute.
I was just reading it.
I like doing that.
Well,
So,
it's
sometimes
pretty easy.
It's like,
So I noticed.
That's neat.
Nope.
Oh, no, right. It's like,
No, see, that's
well,
perfect.
there's there.
It's right next to the.
There you go.
So here.
That's one raised.
It has a top.
It's different.
Put a little top right at the top, say max.
You got it.
I want to ball you. That's you is no.
Put an eye right there and this
Like
one.
that. Like
Okay,
that.
this one's to the side.
Those
See
lines.
that? It has a top, yeah.
No,
That
it's
makes
not.
sense.
And the ones that don't have house
Well, some of them are like this. That one has a bottom. That's the minimum. Don't worry about this. That's the very bottom.
Right.
Very
You know what I'm talking about?
I like this one. This one's good.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
And it has these stuff in it.
This is neither. They're not starting off.
Andy, you're losing a couple pieces.
Head row. You can have a party.
For the lunch today.
Oh, so we're allowed to come in here for lunch?
It's the barbecue.
I know, but they don't have.
We're having a rally. Yes. Friday.
Hey! Alright, we've got that more or less. Flip the page. Quiet, please. That's very quiet today. Alright, now, calculators out. Turn them on. Alright, if you can hear me, snap once. If you didn't finish every single back sermon, that's okay.
Most people I saw were getting the hang of the pattern of it, and we can fix it up. We're looking at this max and min one more time. We're going to find some functions. So I'm looking at the top of page 41, and I got my calculator. I'm going to push y equals. We're going to put these functions into our calculator like we did yesterday. And some of them are going to have a max, and some of them are going to have a min. Brian, you got a calculator? Yes. Okay. So now I need to put x, and I need to square that x. There's two ways. One way is to use the caret with a 2, but another way is over here there's an x squared button. You see where my finger is? X squared button. I'm going to push that, and squared is a function we use a lot. So see how now there's a little 2 above my x? Again, that button was right here. It's kind of above log. All right, so far I have x squared. I'm going to push plus 8 and another x. Are you with me to there? Plus 12. We're on rally schedule, folks. Sorry. I need you to bring me your calculators, put away your pieces, and